Hello everyone, my name is Cristian Niculescu. You know me for a lot of automation with UiPath on the internet. I have a lot of videos with ChatGPT and UiPath. And now, in the last part, I showed you a lot of videos how to call from ChatGPT, how to call UiPath robots and create documents and do a lot of stuff. Let's do the same thing, but let's provide a document to ChatGPT and then let's try to analyze the data. So what I will do, I will provide some PDF to ChatGPT and I will put ChatGPT to extract data from the PDF. So extract data, extract the table and call action call action, and I will show you what I want. So ChatGPT will analyze the data table, will analyze the PDF. This is the PDF that I used first time. Yeah, we'll analyze this PDF and he will extract this table from the PDF and he will pass this to UiPath and we'll see what we'll do inside of the UiPath with this. So the idea is he extract the table and he will pass this to UiPath in a JSON format. I showed you in the last videos how to create this to do this stuff. First, I will so UiPath. It's you see that the process was started on a called serverless system. So it's somewhere in the cloud that it's executing the process. And I will put this process to put the data on Google Sheet. Yeah. And I will show you that here on this Google Sheet, he create a new document, a new one document, exactly the name of the PDF, and he put the data. Let's create another one. So I will send also the second PDF to, and then I will explain what we can do. So the idea is to put ChatGPT to analyze the data, extract data, and call action, and call action, extract table. Let's put table and call action. Okay. So this is the second document. Let's see what's the format on the second document and what we'll do. So he will extract this table, the data from this table, and he will call he's creating a JSON. He built this the JSON in format that I provide him. And now he forgot to call the action. Let's say call action. Because he created very well the last JSON, but if he sometimes he's forgetting to call the action. So normally he has to call the UiPath. I will show you what is configured inside. And starting action. And this will put will send data to UiPath, and UiPath to confirm that we get the data. Will put it on. Look, we have. So it's just to for confirmation that I get the data. Look, I have here a log where you see exactly what I get the data from the last one, the last PDF, and here we'll have a log. And to be more visual, I showed you also the putting the data on the here you have the data that he extracted from that PDF. So to be more visual, I put the data on the sheet here, so on the Google Sheet. He will create a new He sent only one line this time. I don't know why he sent only one time. Let's upload another PDF. Please upload another PDF, and let's say this one. Let's say which is number 5. Extract table collection. Question. I'm sure what I want to get, because look, we have also the full data. So probably it was writing. It was the API that was writing the data slow. So you understand the idea. So it's able to extract data, and this is a simple one, only one line. He extract data and is able to send it to UiPath and relocate the data with UiPath. Now, UiPath, it's used for automation. Yeah. So if you have a web page or a desktop application, so UiPath is able to complete all this data here on these fields without any problems. So in my case, because you saw here that I have I have my robot is on cloud. My robot is on cloud. I'm not able to show you what the robot is doing. Yeah. So because I'm not able to show you what the robot is doing, if I was able to complete and to put the data from, because that's the idea. The idea was to send the PDF to ChatGPT, extract the table, and then this will call you a path and open a software, and the robot will put the data in that software. Yeah. So to be able to show you this, I will do it like this. I will because everything is working on the cloud. I was not able to access the computer from the cloud that it is executing the UiPath robot. So I will go here on the code of the process. In the code of the process, the idea is like this. From, as you see on the last videos, from ChatGPT, the ChatGPT will call UiPath robot via webhooks. When the system will receive the data via webhook, will start this process. This process, first thing, it's logging the data on the screen. You saw that logs that I show you on the orchestrator, and then he's adding a sheet with the name of the PDF. He's adding the sheet with the name of the PDF. Then he will do a write row, and he will write he will write what is coming from the JSON. He will write it directly inside of the PDF, like we have here. It was creating the number 5, and he was writing the table. Yeah. So that's inside. But if I want to show you how to complete a web page or a software, I will do this. I will enable this part. So I will go to this part and hit enable. And when I say enable to these activities are able to complete so they take the data from JSON, and they are able to complete a web page. Yeah? Like I said, if I run it from here, from the ChatGPT, this will run on the serverless on cloud, and you are not able to see the screen of the robot. So I'll run it from here as a test. And when I run it from here as a test, you will see that here I will have a connection. So I have a live stream to see exactly what he's doing. But when I run it as a test, you will see that I have some dummy data. I'll have an address 1, company 1, email 1, and so on. Yeah. So here, when you do a test, you will see a live stream from the robot, and you will see that the robot is open the RPA challenge page with the data is coming from ChatGPT with the JSON, and he's able to complete the data from the table. Yeah, you see, it's able to complete the data. Hit submit. Then it's the new data from the new line with and so on. Hit submit. So this is the procedure that the robot is doing on the back on a cloud system. And if you take a look here on the table, we have also an extracted table, and we have the data that it's putting here. So the idea, it's like this. let's see how I configure the ChatGPT to call UiPath uh, to extract data from PDFs, and after he extract data from PDFs to be able to analyze this data. You saw that in UiPath I have this part for completing the website, and for let's see, disable to be able to run it again. And for writing, so I have a webhook that is listening. This will return a JSON. Then I create here a new sheet with the name of the PDF that the ChatGPT sent it to me. Then I will say for each on the token, and on I will write the line. I can append or I can overwrite. I can write the new line with the index, and I put the line that is coming from ChatGPT. Let's understand what is configured inside of ChatGPT. So inside ChatGPT, I create a new GPT. So you need to have the paid one, and I have to create a new GPT. And I get here edit GPT. Let's say what we have inside of this GPT. So I have here instruction, and I told him that he has to extract the data table from PDF provided, and so on, and he has to have a schema with 10 values, and he's able to extract the data from the PDF. So to create a table with rows. And here inside of the schema, I provide him something like this. So where he's calling the URL, it's like the other movies. And here you see that you have the variable table name, that is the name of the PDF. And then you have here some items to be able to create an enumeration of items. So I have here 10 items. Yeah. So if I have a row with a table with more than 10 columns, you will take the first 10 columns. If I have 4 columns, you will just pass the first four columns. So in this way, I'm able to send via JSON to send the table. So an enumeration of rows. I send an enumeration of rows, and here inside inside the UiPath Studio, I'm able to parse this enumeration of rows. Yeah. So in this way, you are able to, as you saw, you are able to upload PDFs to ChatGPT. Let's do another one if we are still here because I have multiple examples. Let's see if I have one with multiple pages. Yeah. Not this one. I think close all tabs. I remember that I have one with multiple page that the table is on multiple pages. This one is simple. This one it's okay. Let's give him this one, and then I will. I think this one is in multiple pages. Yeah, let's see how we'll work with this one. So let's see how ChatGPT is able to extract this one. I will go here and I will do number 10. Extract table and call action. Question. So that's the main idea. You can use ChatGPT to extract data from a table, format this data, and then pass it to UiPath robots. And UiPath robots can do anything on softwares with this data. Yeah. Let's see if it's starting UiPath. I go to orchestrator. I go to jobs, automation, jobs. Yes, was started seconds ago. And let's see here. I have PDF 10. And ChatGPT was able to extract only the first line of the PDF. Yeah, you see. Here we have to ask him again. Can you extract Okay, so he extract only the first line. Uh, let's see if we can tell him, please extract all the columns, because he was not able to extract all the columns from the PDF. He was going to first column and second column. Yeah, true. A, B, C, and all the five columns. It was five columns. I have to provide him this stuff. So we try different approach. It's not so easy this PDF. Remember that for extracting data from this PDF from PDFs, if you write on my PDF, if you write here PDF on my channel, you have here 17 examples. 17 examples how to extract tables from PDF, and I provide you the Visual Studio Code because I do a lot of Visual Studio stuff. Let's see what he was able to. Oh, he's analyzing. He's analyzing a lot of the method to be able to extract the columns correctly. Oh, I give him a lot of work. So in this video here, I have all the 70s PDF that you see here, and I showed you VB code. I show you how to approach with VB code, how to extract data from these PDFs. And you have here chapters, and with these chapters, you'll see how to approach different when you have multiple pages, when you have multiple lines, and so on. You see that also ChatGPT was not able to do this very fast. I think he's lost. But this was a complicated PDF. You saw on the simple PDF, no problem. On the simple PDF, he extracted very well. He sent data to UiPath, everything was fine. But on this one, he was lost on the. Let's provide plus multiple pages. Let's see if I have another one with multiple. I will provide him another one with let's say 90 and 20. Let's see how with multiple pages, 19 and 20 to see. Oh, but it's the same. It's the same. It's the same. He was not able to extract the data. Maybe also the data is it's in Spanish and no, it's okay. Um, so let's start with another one because with this one is not able to extract data. So let's provide him the 19, yeah, to see how it's handling the 19. So let's go on this one. Extract table, and call action. Let's see the 19 to see what was there. Okay, so I have this, but it's on 2 pages. So let's see if so the table is simple, it's not complicated, but it's on 2 pages. Normally he has to do a good extraction on here. So there are 17 lines. Yeah, let's see. Okay. I have also on this video, I have a video with um, confirm. So for the people that here is the JSON, he's able to build a JSON. Good. Okay. Let's see if he's calling the action. He's calling the UiPath for print JSON. It's some data, has to analyze the data. And then we'll have it on Google Sheet. Normally we'll have it, oh, it takes 1 minute to write the Google Sheet. So normally he will be able to write the Google Sheet and we'll have in Google Sheet, we'll have all this data. But let's wait until the process will finish. What I said that it's here, I showed you with 17 use cases how to extract data using VB code, but you are able also, you have here 50 use cases how to extract the data table with ChatGPT. So it's calling ChatGPT from inside of UiPath, yeah? So from inside of UiPath, I call ChatGPT to be able to extract this data, and sometimes ChatGPT fail on some files. And look, the number 10, so file number 10, ChatGPT fail, and also on file number 15, ChatGPT was failing on extracting this data. But now I just put the PDF inside of ChatGPT. ChatGPT analyze the data, and he send the data to UiPath. You see here, I have the table extracted from ChatGPT, and I have it very well with all the pages. Let's see on other one that was failing. So on example 15, ChatGPT was failing. Let's see if this ChatGPT 4.0 it's able to extract data from this one. Let's see number 50 here. Extract table and call action and all action. So let's see this this PDF and let's see how he will approach, if he's able to approach correctly this one. ACM test. Here it's the table. It's not a complicated table. I mean, it's not a complicated. It's with multiple lines, yeah. So let's see how we'll handle this stuff. Let's go to ChatGPT. ACM 0101 management inspection. Let's see how it was on the PDF. So here it's along with 4 days. I think he's done well on this one. Let's see the if he called you about seconds ago, 15. Let's make this bigger, like this, and like this. And this was the original PDF. Let's make it smaller to see the. So he said that he put 5 columns. Okay, he put 5 columns because he put the this one. Okay, then he say expense satisfaction management and time management. Perfect. And 15. And then metric definition, 5 days, 4 and 5 days he put there. Let's say the time recipient and this one. He extract everything perfect. So this one with ChatGPT for all, he was able to extract perfect all the data. Let's see if I have another one that is look, let's take this one, 13, with a funny prompt from ChatGPT. So let's see 13 if it's able to extract it. So let's go on ChatGPT. provide him the document number 13, uh, extract uh, table and collection and call. Normally, I have to provide him only the PDF, and he will work only with um, only with the PDF. Only with the PDF should work. Yeah. Let's see how complicated is this one. So it's 13. Uh-huh. I don't tell him what was the my idea was to extract this table. Let's see how he'll analyze. He's able to look. He extract this table. Formatting JSON. Let's see what he will call. So it's the main. I mean, he get well on the table 4. But let's see if he will make the call or with the robot. With what table will make the call? Continue generating. Okay. Continue generating. Distance. Okay. But do you call the action? Call action. Let's say call action uh, on example 5. On example 4. On example 4. Because he extract all the tables. So that was the tricky part on this document. He has multiple table, yeah. And for me, I was interested on example 4, yeah. And let's see if it's calling the action correctly on example 4. So he has example 1. Example 1, which was a list. Then example 2. Example 3 was not a table. You see, example 3 was not a table, was something like a list, and he formatted as a table. Then example 4 and example 5. My target was to extract example 4. Let's see if it's able to call the action. We're starting UiPath. So we have the process UiPath working. So basically, the system should create an it's writing well, this one. Yes, it's writing line by line. Okay, good. let's compare the result. So I think it's okay. I think it's really okay. So Rocket RG100, this one Flames. Where was my? Here was my. Yes, Sonic One, and yeah, he was able to extract everything very well. So that's the main idea. You saw we have multiple examples on this one. So the idea is to provide him some data, and then he extract the data using this webhook. Is going to call UiPath, and UiPath will be able to do what you want with this data. Like I said, completing web pages or completing other softwares, automate with this data and so on. So that's the main idea. Like I showed you on other videos, how you are able to call from ChatGPT, how you are able to call UiPath robots, and in some cases, I show you here a video how to call from ChatGPT UiPath robots, and you are able to bring also back data from UiPath robots to ChatGPT. Yeah, is not only connection to this. So ask me, comment my movies, and tell me what else you want to see on my channel, and I will create videos for you to be able to implement fast thing with ChatGPT and UiPath. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. Have a good one. Bye bye.